Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, to this short YouTube presentation. My name is Sanford Khan, economic forecaster and author. The title of this presentation is How to Buy Real Estate. Now, there's many different types of real estate, so I'm going to aim and rifle it down to one particular type. How to buy owner-occupied residential real estate. And it's based on advice that was given to me a long time ago when I was working for my last employer. This is a long time ago. Decades ago, matter of fact. After I passed my probation period, I was tired of renting. I saw rents going up even then, and I said, no way. I want to buy something. And I wanted to buy a condo. I didn't want a house. I wanted to buy a condo, but how big of a condo should I buy? And this gentleman who was up there in the employment, you might say, at the company I worked for, he was an elderly English gentleman, probably coming to the end of his career. He gave me some excellent advice. Matter of fact, I never forgot it. I never forgot him. His name was Joe Kilcourse. Joe Kilcourse. I never forgot his name because his advice was fantastic. I took it, never regretted it. His advice was, look it, he said, Sandy, you only could be in one room at a time. How much room do you need? How big of a place do you need to live in? I took his advice. I bought a simple 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. Price was right. Paid it off. I think probably after 7-8 years, I just paid it off. Never regretted it. So the advice to you on how to buy residential real estate, excuse me, owner-occupied, is buy what you need. Don't buy excess. Don't waste your money on excess. Just buy what you need. And the rest of the money, invest in other assets. Maybe the stock market, bonds. The only thing I really recommend is U.S. government I-bonds, but it's up to you. Just buy what you need. If you buy excess, you're wasting your money. Just buy what you need. I don't think you'll go wrong, especially in the economy we're in and the economy we're going to be staying in. Anyways, I appreciate it if you could do me a favor, subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again. Bye now.